Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Samsung A05. First of all, you have to power up your phone, as this Samsung is not simply powering off with the power key, so we have to force restart it. To force restart your Samsung, you have to press power plus volume down key simultaneously for about 10 seconds. As soon as the phone restarts, release volume down key and quickly hold on to volume up key while pressing the power key also. Now when the Samsung logo appears, release power key while keep holding on to the volume up key, and the phone will go into the recovery mode. Here in recovery mode, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. You have to select the wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will delete all the data on your phone. The data wipe has been completed, as you can see. Then select reboot system now. Now you have to wait for the phone to start up after the factory reset. It will take some time. From here, click on the start option and move next. After completing the setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again.